Hi, ni hao, I'm Chef Tom. I got this beautiful European sea bass from my friend as a gift. I trim off the fin and then I scale the fish with a cleaver. The best way is during the running water, and then you just scale like this until they clean. It's very simple. So now I'm going to cut the fish. There's a backbone here. I just use my cleaver. Go down. Just lay your cleaver or knife, lay against the backbone. And then we're going to flip over. Do the same thing on this side. Make sure your knife is very sharp. Beauty. And then I use this scissor, clip the back here, and then top here, and we get the bone out. The inside look like this, and we're just gonna use my cleaver, kind of like it, chop through the head. Use your palm, a quick split. Like this. And then we're gonna bring it back to the sink and wash everything off, including the gill. Make sure you pat it nice and dry. So inside should look like this. And here we're just gonna give them a quick cut like that so we can flat it out. You can use it to grill it. There's the pin bone here. Use a plier. Just take it out like this one by one. Should be easy to spot right now. Just come out the whole thing. Beauty. There's another technique you can use sometime. Where's my scissor? Right here. Sometimes if you have a lot of like a small pin bone back there, and you can easily, if you are trying to grill, like especially when you grill eel or the fish that require low heat and grill for a long time or broil it for a long time, and actually you can almost like roast it, melt the bone in the fish. So what you do is, like, for instance, there's a couple pin bone right here. You just use your scissor, right? You cut through the pin bone like this. See that? You cut through the bone, and the bone can stay inside. As long as the bone is not this long. If the bone like this tiny, this length, by the time you roast it for like 2 hours to 3 hours, actually the bone will almost like roast the delicacy. I'm sure it's good for you, right? And make sure you gotta clean up the gut really good like this. The back here. Okay. So now we're just going to sprinkle some kosher salt generously. And then some black pepper. And then give them a quick flip over. Same thing. This fish is very fresh, I can tell. You see the skin? It's very shiny. The eye looks good. The gill looks really nice and red. Now sometimes you can apply a coat of like wine, cooking wine. Just get rid of some of the fish smell. Fresh fish supposed to smell like ocean, not like a very strong odor smell, you know. So this is good. Here I got this grill, sort of like a basket. I just do some cooking spray. And some on the fish already. And then we're just going to put the fish in here. And I got some cayenne pepper. And then this is the lemon, black pepper, and zest, and some other ingredient. Okay. I'm gonna give them a quick flip over like this. And do the same thing here. Just give them a nice flavor, right? I preheat my oven to 325. And then my oven just ready. At the bottom, I use a baking tray and the foil, and the fish look like this. Okay, and then we're gonna put into the oven. And in the meantime, I have this eel sauce, or you can use teriyaki glaze, or you can make your home special sauce. And just every so often, 15-20 minutes, I'm gonna give them a quick brush, apply on the fish. It just intensify the flavor on the meat and give them more better taste. I want to have some gap for at the bottom here. You see the bottom of my standing rack here, because when you roast it or you bake it in the oven, it's like a circular heat. You want them to, you know, circulate the heat so everything cook perfectly nice. Or you can do this outdoor on the outdoor grill, will be perfect. After 20 minutes, take it out, and you're just going to apply any kind of sauce that you like. Okay, and then you just give them a quick brush. At this point now everything's hot, so when you work on it you gotta be careful. And then we just give them a quick flip over. Here we're gonna apply some eel sauce too as well. Give them a quick brush. And I just flip over. I'm going to bring it back to my oven. 1 hour and 10 minutes. I applied the eel sauce 3 times. Slowly roasted. It's done. See how beautiful that is? I'll show you. See the other side. Oh yeah, smells so good. If you like, you can dip this with hot hot sauce, homemade hot chili sauce. I hope you like the video. I'm Chef Tom. Thank you for watching. I see you next time. Bye. 再见. Oh, the skin and the meat. Wow. You can just peel this with your hand. And the skin is like roasted with all the spices. Very unique. It's a great way to make your fish.